Good morning, students. From today, we are going to start our second semester, and from today, we are going to learn the topics which are given in the second semesters. In the first semester, we learn about some basic concepts of physics, that is about the rotational motion, moment of inertia, and all the basic concepts which are already you have learned in the 12th class. In this second sem, we are learning about the basic concept of physics which are related with the thermodynamics, with the electric current and AC circuits. So, today we are going to introduce our syllabus. So, what is the syllabus? The syllabus contains 6 chapters, and in 6th chapter, the first chapter we are starting, it is the kinetic theory of gases. You all know about the kinetic theory of gases. What is kinetic means? Kinetic means in motion. We know there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. What are solids? Solids are the substances which have a very solid bonding in it. Liquid has a intermolecular force of attraction, but it is weak as compared to that of solid. But what about gas? The gas molecules are such that they are freely move within the container because the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of gas is nearly negligible. Okay, so they are free to move, they are randomly move within the container. Now, as they are moving in the container, they can collide with the wall of the container as well as the other molecules, and due to this collision various phenomena are takes place, and this phenomena we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, the next chapter is nothing but the laws of thermodynamics. We know what is thermodynamic. Thermodynamic, it is the branch of physics which deals with the conversion, interconversion of energy, heat into the energy and energy into heat, or the energy into various forms of energies. Then in that chapter we learn about the first, second, third law of thermodynamics and its applications we are going to learn. The third chapter is nothing but the liquefaction of gases. Liquefaction of gases means when we cool the gas get liquefied. So, how the gas can be liquefied at a constant temperature, so that concepts we are going to learn in the third chapter, which is nothing but the liquefaction of gases. Then the motion of the charged particle. The fourth chapter is nothing but the motion of a charged particle. And what is the motion of the charged particle? Due to the motion of the charged particles, electric current takes place. And as we know electric current, various concepts related with the current we are going to learn in this chapter. Then the next chapter is nothing but the network theorem. So what is network theorem? We know Ohm's law can be applicable to the circuits which are simple, but in the complex circuits like 2 resistances, 3 resistances, 2 EMF, we can't use the Ohm's law. So in this case we use the various theorems, for example Kirchhoff's laws, Thevenin's theorem, to solve such complex circuits. And then the last chapter is nothing but the alternating current. So what is alternating current? The current in which there are alternate positive and negative cycles takes place. So such type of AC currents we are going to learn in this chapter. So we have 6 chapters in this second semester, and we are going to start our syllabus from the first chapter, that is kinetic theory of gases. In the kinetic theory of gases, I already stated that we learn about the kinetic theory of gases, then the equation of the pressure, and we are moving towards the adiabatic ratio, specific heat ratio of the gases. So in this way we are going to start our chapter from the next lecture. So this is the introduction of syllabus for the semester second of your BSc part 1. So this is enough for today. Have a good day. Bye.